This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Magnificent one owner, 7,355 square foot, all brick, custom-built home on the Nansemond River at Governor's Point. Water views throughout. Deep water access west/pier, dock, and boat lift, open floor plan, foyer big enough for a baby grand piano, spiral staircase, sunken great room downstairs west/fireplace, another great room upstairs west/fireplace, huge kitchen west/granite, 2 stainless refrigerators, breakfast area, separate wet bar west/water views, separate kitchenette, formal dining, water views in the first floor primary bedroom west/large walk-in closet west/built-ins, ensuite, and 112 square feet. Concrete pool west/pump for stationary laps, 6 secondary bedrooms, some west/in suites, plus huge finished room over the garage, office/study, 2 media rooms west/surround sound, 1 capable of projector west/wet bar, 2nd floor outdoor balcony, 3-car garage, foyer chandelier electronically lowers/raises, neighborhood amenities west/pool.